Namaste, Bonnie ji.
Namaste, Sarji.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm also good. Little
Good.
bit suffering from cold.
Yes, it's very cold.
Yeah, too cold here.
I'm sorry, I'm almost there.
Okay, it's okay. Take your time. Okay, so Georgia ji, you can turn your camera on if you want. Okay, sit in any comfortable position. Keep your back neck straight in one line. Join your both palms together in front of your heart center. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. We'll chant one time Om. After that, the opening mantra. Deep inhale. Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Vande Gururam Charadaravinde. Sandarbhishita Swatma Sukha Bhavote. निःश्रेयशेचाङ्गलिकायमाने संसारहालाहल्मोहशान्ते आबाहु पुरुषाकारं शङ्खचक्रास्यधारणं सहस्रार्शीर्षं श्वेतं प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिं। ॐ अथ योगा अनुशासनम्. Gently bow down your head towards God. Ask God to give us energy for today's class. While blinking, open your eyes looking at your palm. Om Shanti. Inhale, raise your both arms up overhead. Interlace your fingers, turn your palms out. Elevate your spine towards the ceiling and move your spine left to right and right to left. Exhale, drop your right elbow towards the right side. Take your left arm over your head. Go deep to the side bend towards the right side. Keep pulling with your right hand. Feel the stretch at your side obliques. Inhale again back to the center. Exhale to the left side. Inhale again back to the center. Lateral bend towards the right side now. Keep your elbows closer to your ears. Fingers interlocked. Inhale up. Exhale left side. Inhale again back to the center. Exhale right side. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, come back to the center. Exhale to the left side. Again hold there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come front. Exhale, bend forward with your hip joints. Keep your spine straight. Both arms, your both hands closer to your ear and look front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, again come back up. Exhale, drop your hands, your left palm on your right knee and your right arm behind your back. Now keep twisting with your thoracic region. Bring your both shoulders in one line. Inhale, again come back to the center. Exhale, change your side. Drop your right palm out of your left knee. Again, keep looking back. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, back to the center. And exhale, drop your both arms behind your back. Inhale, lift your chest up, look back. Just push your thoracic out, press your thoracic out, keep looking back. And again, come back to the center. Now press your both palms on the right side. Come for the tabletop position on your mat. Your palms under your shoulder, your knees under your hips. Open your knees, hip distance apart. Open your palms, shoulder distance apart. Inhale, lift your chest up, roll your shoulders, open your chest, tuck your tailbone out for cow pose. Exhale, look down, make a hump on your back for the cat pose. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, hold there for 3 counts. 1, keep your tailbone out, squeeze your shoulder blades. 2 and 3. Exhale, look down, make a hump on your back. And again, hold 1, 2, and 3. Come into the neutral position. Now stretch your both arms front, come for the puppy pose. Your hip should be under your knees. Sorry, your knees should be under your hip. Keep stretching your hands. Try to touch your chest or your thoracic on the mat. Now from there, walk towards the right side. Walk. Do not move your hip, do not move your knees. Just walk towards the right side with your hands, with your upper body. Inhale back to the center, exhale to the left. Walk towards the left side. Inhale, again come back to the center. Stretch your arms more and try to push your thoracic more down. Feel the stretch. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Walk with your hands back. Bring your palms under your shoulder again for the tabletop. Now inhale, raise your right arm by the side. Exhale, drop your right hand under your left shoulder or your left hand for thread and needle pose. Inhale, lift your left arm up, look towards your left palm and hold. 1. Keep looking towards your left hand. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your left palm down. Inhale, take your right arm by the side. Exhale, drop your right palm again back on the mat. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, drop your left hand under your right hand. Inhale, take your right arm up. Hold there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, drop your right hand down. Inhale, take your left arm by the side. And exhale, drop your left palm down back on the mat. Now inhale, lift your right leg front and left arm back. Right leg stretch back, left arm stretch front. Like someone is pulling you with your one leg and one hand. Inhale, point your toes, point your fingertips. Exhale, try to contract, touch your elbow to your knee and make a hump on your back. Very nice. Inhale, again, stretch yourself. Exhale, make a hump on your back. Inhale, one more time, stretch and hold there for 3 counts. Maintain your balance. 1, into the center. 2, 3. Exhale, elbow to your knee and hold there for 3 counts. 3, 2, and 1. Drop your right knee down, drop your left palm down, or change your hand and change your leg. Lift your right arm front and left leg back. Inhale and exhale, knee to your elbow. Inhale, again, stretch your right arm front and left leg back. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, again, stretch and hold there for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, exhale, knee to your elbow. 3 counts again. 1, 2, and come back, drop it, come to the center. Now from there, try to open your legs as much as you can. Try to open and increase the gap between your legs like this. Move your left knee left side, right knee right side. Keep your ankle and your knee in one line. For frog pose, now try to drop your elbows down on the mat. Drop elbows down. Now just feel the stretch on your adductors muscles, your internal thighs, which are present in your internal. Just keep it pressing, tuck your tailbone in. Now straight your arms front, straight your arms. Keep moving with your knees towards the left and right. Take your groins muscles as much as closer to the floor. Look front, try to touch your chin. Move your legs again, back to the tabletop. From there. Now tuck your toes, lift your hips up, come for the downward facing dog. Just shake your legs one by one. Bend your knee. Try to touch your heel on the mat while keeping your knee straight. And with your palms, press your chest, your belly towards your leg. Keep your head inside. Keep looking at your navel point. With your eyes, your gaze should be on your navel point. Now slowly walk front, stand into Samasthiti. Open your feet and do Kati Chakrasana. Twist with your thoracic region. Okay, now feet together, legs together. Stand into Samasthiti for sun salutation A. Ekam, inhale, sweep your both arms up, come for Urdhva Sthasana, join your both palms together, stretch yourself up. Do exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana, bend forward from your hip joint, just try to stretch, pull your spine down. Ready, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine here, do not make a hump on your back. If you cannot, you can try with bending your knees. Chatwari, exhale, drop your palms on the floor and jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog, swing yourself up, roll your shoulder, open your chest, look towards the ceiling, lift your thighs up. Do exhale, bend down for downward facing dog. Keep your tailbone lifting high towards the ceiling. Look at your navel point, keep your knees straight and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front between your both palms. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now inhale, all the way come up for Urdhva Sthasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, Ekam, inhale, again come for Urdhva Sthasana. To exhale, bend for Uttanasana. 3, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees and jump front between your both palms. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, Ekam, inhale, again come for Urdhva Sthasana. To exhale for Uttanasana. 3, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shut, exhale, downward facing dog. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round, Ekam, inhale, Urdhva Hastasana. Doi, exhale, Uttanasana. Tridi, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale. Shut, exhale. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees down front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth and last round. Ekam, inhale. Doi, exhale. Exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shut, exhale. Hold 1, 2. Keep pressing your tailbone up. 3. With your palms, your chest towards your legs. 4. And 5. Sapta, bend your knees, jump front into halfway look up, Ardha Uttanasana. Ashto, exhale, bend down for Uttanasana. Nava, inhale, all the way come up for Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Sun salutation B, first round. Ekam, inhale, bend your knees, touch your fingertips on the floor, and your arms up, come for the chair pose. Your knees should not cross your toes, so keep your knees back from your toes. Do exhale, bend down again. 3, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine, lower back down, chest up. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shut, exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, inhale, lift your leg up and then bring your leg front for warrior A. Front leg 90, back feet 5 degrees in. Square your hip towards the right side. Ashto, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. And Chaturdasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Ekam, inhale, again come for the chair pose. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold. 3, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shut, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Now hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your knees and jump front between your both palms. Shodasa, exhale, painfully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale, again come for the chair pose. Tui, exhale, bend for the forward fold. 3D, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha, exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your knees and jump front. Shodasa, exhale, bend fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round, Ekam, inhale, back to the chair pose. Look up, do exhale, bend for the forward fold. 3D, inhale, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, press your palm and jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Shat, exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth and last round, Ekam, inhale, come for the chair pose. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold. 3D, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Catch your breath here. 1, 2, 3. So we'll continue our Ashtanga series today. 4 and 5 now. So bend your knees and jump front and lay down on your back. Now lift your both legs up into Sarvangasana. Shoulder stand. Lift your legs up for the shoulder stand. Yes, lift your legs up. Now keep your back, your neck straight, your body straight in one line. Now hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now from there, slowly bring your legs for the halasana. Interlock your fingers and bring your hip up towards your head and hold. 1, 2, do not move your head left or right, just keep your neck straight. 3, 4, and 5. Now from here, bend your knees and try to bring your both knees closer to your ears and drop your both knees beside of the ear. Again, hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now cross your leg for Urdhva Padmasana. Make lotus pose if you can. If you cannot make lotus pose, it's okay. Just cross your leg. Now place your both palms on your knees and lift your legs in the air by putting the support with your palms. Hold. 1, if you can make Padmasana, you can make Padmasana in the air. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now hug your legs for Pindasana. Now hug your lotus pose there. Hug your lotus pose. Your hip will be up like same into Sarvangasana. Hip up, hip up. Same position. Yeah, now hug your legs in this position. 1, if you can. If you cannot hug, it's okay. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now without opening your legs, slowly drop your hip down. Slowly drop your hip down for Matsyasana. Make Padmasana first. Make Padmasana here. Lotus pose. If you cannot make, just cross your leg. Now try to put your crown head down. Try to put your crown head down now. Place your both palms beside your ear and try to lift your crown head and grab your both big toes like this. And hold. 1, put your crown head, cross your leg. If you cannot make Padmasana, it's okay. 2, just put your crown head. Make a good arch on your back, curve on your back. Just bend with your thoracic. Just feel the stretch on the neck. 3, 4, and 5. Now from here, just open your legs and keep your head in the same position. Do not remove or do not come out. Now keeping your head same position, just lift your leg up at 70 degree and hands up 50 degree. Your head will be, crown head will be on the floor. Lift your leg up. Both legs together. Yeah. Now put your crown head on the mat. Make an arch on your head. Okay, look here how you have to do it. First, you can look here. So I was in Marichasana like this. Now from here, Uttan Padasana. Like this. Lift your legs, lift your hands, and then slowly head down. Hold 1, very nice. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly remove your head. Straight your leg, shake your legs. Now next pose is Setu Bandhasana. Okay, so it's a little bit difficult. So you have to open your legs and then drop your legs like this. Out. 1 feet like this, 1 feet like this. Out you have to drop. Okay? So I'm showing this. Now from here, you have to drop your crown head. Then you have to straighten your leg. And then try to cross your hand on your chest. If it feels difficult, you can press your palm and put your head like this, or you can bend your knees like this also. It's difficult. Let's try the simple variation. Okay, Georgia ji, yes, you will get in our YouTube page, Himalayan Yoga Association. You can ask with Soumya ji, she will provide you. I am injured at my knee. I just wrote in. Yeah, it's okay, Georgia. You can take a rest for now, and in future you can continue. You can go with like our Himalayan Yoga Association YouTube page. Okay, try, Bonnie ji. You have done?
I tried, yeah.
Oh, it's okay. Now jump back to Chaturanga. Very nice. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bend your legs one by one, shake your legs. Now the next pose is Shirshasana, headstand. Okay? So we'll do the first Shirshasana, Salamba Shirshasana. So for that, we'll cross our elbows like this and we'll do it with support of the wall. Okay, do not do without support of the wall. So cross your elbows like this. We will maintain the like distance and then open your hands. Now interlock your fingers. Interlock your fingers, and then your half crown head will be on your fingers or your palm, and half crown head will be on the floor. Half crown head. Now walk front towards your body, upper body with your legs. Then try to bend your one leg, your another leg, and then slowly straight your one leg, and then your another leg. Hold yourself there. Point your toes, tuck your tailbone in, not out. This is out, this is wrong. Okay, so tuck your tailbone in. And keep your core engaged, your thigh muscles, your calf muscles, and hold. Then slowly come back directly to the child pose. So Bonnie ji, you have tried? Okay, because I was in Shirshasana, so I cannot look at it at that time.
I just got my feet close to my head.
Okay, very nice.
I'll try it later with my son so he can spot me.
Yeah, definitely. It's okay. Okay, now from again after child pose, tuck your toes, lift your hips up, come for the downward facing dog. Now bend your knees and jump front. Make lotus pose, Padmasana. Now we'll do Baddha Padmasana. Okay, so with your left leg, grab your left feet behind your back like this, and with your right hand, your right feet like this. It's difficult, but no, you have to sit into lotus pose, lotus pose, lotus pose, this pose. Okay. This is lotus pose. Then this you have to grab from like back. It's okay if you cannot grab, you can just keep like this and then you can go forward down. Cross your hands back and go forward. Try to touch your head on the floor. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, drop your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up for Utpanuti. Make Padmasana and then you can lift. It is the last posture. Okay, how you have to do it? Like this, and then you have to lift. Okay. If you will use blocks or something under your palms, it will be more easy to lift. Very nice. Make lotus pose and then try to lift yourself up. Yeah, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. Now keep your block side and just lay down into Shavasana. This was our last pose, Utpuliti, of our Ashtanga series. Just open your feet, drop your left feet left side, right feet right side. Open your palms at the end of the mat, palm facing towards the ceiling. Your tailbone should be in. Do not make any arc on your back. Relax your shoulder blades. Relax your shoulders, your little bit chin in. Your whole body muscles should be relaxed right now. Relax your eyeballs. Relax your mind. Relax your breath. Relax your heartbeat. Just feel the energy which is created by the yoga. Whatever we have done today, just feel in yourself. Feel that warmness and the purification that we have done right now by doing yoga. Try to listen to your breath, hear your breath, see your breath with your closed eyes, that how it is coming inside through your nostril while inhalation, and how it is going outside through your nostril while exhalation. You can feel that movement of inhalation and exhalation. Try to take control over your thoughts. Reduce thoughts which are running in your mind right now. The million of thoughts which runs in our mind, you have to take control over it. Now move your toes, move your fingers, and turn yourself to the right side. Press with your left palm and sit in any comfortable position. Keep your eyes closed. Join your palms together in front of your heart center. Now we'll chant the closing mantra of Ashtanga. Swasti prajabhyam paripalyantam ध्यायेन मार्गेण महिं महिषा को ब्राह्मणेभ्यो सुखमस्तु नित्यं लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वेदकेन योपा Sorry, it's just disconnected due to the internet.
It's okay.
I closed all the prayer. After that, I have seen. Okay, so Boniji, did you have any question related to our class, Asan?
No, just so limited what I can do. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay if you'll practice it, you'll achieve it. I'm sure. Right?
I keep
Namaste.
trying.
Take care, Boniji. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Same,
See you tomorrow.
Georgia ji. Namaste. Take care. See you tomorrow.